Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel to watch this second video that I am posting. I haven't really been able to post anything lately. I've been busy with work and school. I am in school to finish my BSN. I am currently a nurse and I'm also currently a mom, so it takes up a lot of my time. But I really hope that you guys like this video. It's just a simple everyday makeup look that you can do. You can wear it for Thanksgiving. It's something super easy and light. Use similar products that I am using. You don't actually have to use the products that I have, but just some quick, easy colors that you can throw together. So I really hope that you guys like the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe at the end, and I'll talk to you guys later. So let's get started. So to save some time, I already did my eyebrows and moisturized my face. You can use any moisturizer that you have. I'm going to use some foundation first. This color is Rose Beige in the L'Oreal 24 Hour Fresh Wear. All this makeup that I'm going to be using is going to be drugstore makeup to make it really easy for you guys. Not everything is going to be drugstore, but most of it is. I'm going to be blending everything in really good down into my neck as well. Next thing, I'm going to be taking the NYX Professional Makeup Setting Powder, and this color is in light medium, and I'm going to be putting that all over my face to kind of just set the foundation that I placed so it doesn't move throughout the day. So the next thing that I'm going into is my bronzer. This one is Milani. It's a bronzing powder. It's in Sunkissed number 2. And I'm taking a contouring brush and contouring my cheeks with it just to give me some definition to my cheeks. I want to do this right under the cheekbone, not too low, and go right into the hairline. Make sure that everything is buffed out. And make sure everything blends and under your neck as well. I also use this to contour my nose, just so that everything is matching. And I just take another little brush and buff everything out. The key to a good contouring is blending, so make sure that you blend really good. Now I usually have a contour nose palette that I use, but for this video I just decided to go with the fluffy brush that I'm using. And then I'm going to fix that up with contour later, so don't worry, it looks a little crazy right now, but it will look a lot better at the end. The next thing I'm going to use is e.l.f.'s concealer in medium sand. This is their matte finish line. I'm going to put it right under my eyes, my T-zone, top of my nose, and the corners of my mouth, and right at my cupid's bow, and kind of just blend everything out with a beauty blender. I do use a smaller beauty blender to get the inner corners of my eyes and to get a little closer to my nose line so it contours a little bit tighter. And now I'm just going to go over the bronzer part, again, just very lightly. Next, I'm going to go into my Balm Cosmetics palette. And the color that I'm going to use for my cheeks is going to be a shadow blush called Frat Boy. I'm just going to dust it lightly over my cheeks, and also I like to put it over my nose just to give my nose a little bit of a pinky color. Now you don't actually have to put that over your nose, I just like to do that. You can if you want to. The next thing I'm going to do is use Butter London's Teddy Boy palette, and I'm going to be using 4 of the colors that are in there. The color on the top, which is Simon, it's like a very light brown color. I'm going to be using Billy, Nigel, and there's also Archie I'm going to be using in the corner of my eyes, but I'll show you that later. I'm taking a fluffy brush, and I'm going to start with the color Simon, it's a top palette color. And I'm just going to buff this out in the crease of my eye. Just remember, you want to blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm going to go take the Nigel color, which is the light color, and I'm going to put that right at my highlight, right under my brow. And then I'm going to go in with Billy and mix it with Francis, just to go into the corners of my eye, the outer corners, and kind of give it a little bit more depth. And then I'm going to go in with that same first color as Simon and kind of just dust it over my lid. And then blend everything together. With the color Archie, it's the shimmery white color. I'm just going to put it in the corners of my eye. The next thing that I'm going to do is take e.l.f.'s liquid liner in black and do my top line. I already did it to save some time for the video. After that, I like to take a either cream or white eyeliner, like so, and just line my waterline. This is supposed to make your eyes appear a little bit bigger. And then you can take any mascara. I'm using Wet n Wild's black mascara, and I'm going to put it on the top and the bottom of my lashes. The next thing I'm going to do is take e.l.f.'s liquid lipstick. This color I believe is Praline, it's kind of faded out. And I'm just going to put that on. I love it because it's kind of a mauvey fall tone color, which is great for a Thanksgiving look, but it's not too dark. This next lighter color, I'm not exactly sure the name, it's really old, but I love it. I like to put it just in the middle of my lips to kind of make it more plump and full looking. And there you have it. This is the final look. It's a little hard to see on my camera because my lighting's not that great. Sorry, I am working on it. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you like the makeup look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys later.